Okay, hey, this is Gertrude Nontra from myonlinebizjourney.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a start here page. This is my start here page. I have all my posts arranged in columns and rows, and someone had asked if I could show them how to use it, and so I decided to do this video. Okay, so you can achieve this very beautiful look by using, and so if you click on each of these, they go to my individual blog posts that correspond with the image. And the plugin I used is a plugin known as the Shortcodes Ultimate Plugin, and it's available on WordPress, WordPress.org self-hosted sites, okay, which is what I run my site on. All right, and so to use the Shortcodes Ultimate to do this, what you want to do is actually, I'm going to go into a new page. I'm going to create this demo post. So I created this demo post just for this tutorial. And then when you install the Shortcodes Ultimate plugin, you will have a little widget here that you can click on when you go to edit a post or edit a page, okay? And so you want to click on that, and then you want to choose column, okay? So we'll choose column. And it's actually really confusing when you just look at it like this. But what you do is you're going to click on examples of use. And we're going to get the code from there that we're going to use to order our posts, okay? So it'll show you a full width column, a half width page, a page where you can do 1/3, 1/4, and so on and so forth. And so we're just going to grab the code right there, okay? So we can go ahead and grab this code, copy that, and then we're going to close this up and we're going to paste that code in here. So we're going to paste it, okay? All right, now we don't really need this where it says this. You can always go into text and edit it that way, but that's not what I did. I just went ahead, because that's HTML, so I just went ahead and deleted that. And then it says here SU, that's for Shortcodes Ultimate _row, okay? And then it tells you the column size, it's 1/3. All right, and so if we went ahead and viewed this, you would see that we have the dummy text in thirds, and I'll wait for that to come up. My internet is a little slow, I apologize. So do you see that? Right, so it's in thirds, okay? So what we are going to do to make sure that this comes up the right way, okay, and all that extra is going to go away once we're done, okay, is we're going to delete this dummy text, and we're just going to keep the code. You will see that, let me put that back, okay, and we're just going to hit enter. For each of the thirds, I'm just going to delete that dummy text. Okay, and then right here I'll delete it. Okay, I don't know why my mouse wasn't moving, but once you do that, you have three little piece of code, right? You have the opening that says that this is a row, you have the closing that says this is a row, and then you have 1/3 of a column for each, okay? So each of these is going to be 1/3 of a column. So the next thing I did to achieve the look that I have is to add media, and then I'm just going to pull in three random posts that I've written. I already have the pictures saved in my media here in WordPress, right? So I'm just going to insert that into my post. We're going to insert the picture in there. Okay, we're going to do that for each one of these columns. So we're going to go in between the code where we deleted the dummy text. We're just going to choose 3 random posts I have. Okay, We're gonna go here and do the same thing, add media, and then insert it into the post. Okay, once you're done with that, and you'll do this, so every time you start a new row, you're gonna go ahead and have this SU underscore row, and then you're gonna close that with this, I guess this is a backward slash, right? A backward slash SU underscore row. Okay, so you just copy the code and just put in your figure and put in your figures or your images. Okay, so once you've put in the images, now we're going to add the link for each image. Okay, so what I do is I just go to my blog. I'm going to look for this particular post. Which post is this? 24 tools. Okay, so I'm going to click on this post right here. I'm going to pull that post up, copy that text. Okay, and then I'm going to edit this image that I created. And then when I go to edit the image I created, where it says media file link to, I'm going to make that a custom URL and delete this URL that just is the file, the image URL from WordPress. Okay, and then we're going to put this in here where the post is, and I'm going to update it. Okay, and so I'm going to do that for each of these posts. So I'll go here just a minute, and we'll just go pull up a link. Facebook video, copy that. We're gonna edit that picture as well. Same thing, go to media file custom URL, put that in, you update it. Then 7 questions every one of your blog posts should answer. I'm going to pull that one too. And once that comes up, I'm going to copy the link and paste. Custom URL. And so that's what I do for each row. So then I update that. And once we save this draft, and then go to refresh our page, sometimes it helps, like after you have saved the draft, I just empty all my caches because sometimes it won't update. So I'm going to empty all that once I have saved it first, and then I'm going to go to the preview and just refresh. And once it refreshes, you will see that the images show up, and when you click on each one of them, there we go. So you see that the images have come up, and now they're all hyperlinked. And so you click on that, and it goes directly to this particular post. Okay, so that's how you use, and I'll wait for it to come up, but that is how you use Shortcodes Ultimate to actually create a page where you have your posts, images in an ordered format, in which links to each one of your blog posts. Okay, all right, I hope this was helpful.